Hey, check out this IKEA side table that me and one of my girlfriends made. I wanted to share this hack with you just in case you needed a side table or you're just looking for a new project to try. And you're not going to believe what we made it with: bamboo salad bowls. I'll show you exactly what we did so you can copy it. If you need a list of all the supplies and a written guide, the link to it is in the description box below. All right, let's get into it. I started off by flipping one of the large bowls face down. You're going to need something strong to keep the table secure, so we decided to use construction adhesive. You could use this or something similar that works well with wood. Using the caulk gun, we put some glue in the center of the bowl. You want to make sure that the bowls are centered. Then we place another large bowl on top. To make sure it was secure by the glue, I put pressure in the middle of the bowl. Next, we added more adhesive to the rim of the bowl and then we placed another one on top. If you would like to receive weekly inspiration, exclusive guides, tips, and information about supplies, be sure to sign up for my newsletter. The link to it is in the description box below. If you see some adhesive seeping through, take a damp cloth and wipe it away. To give the table some variation, we decided to add some small bowls to the mix. Since the bowls were small, we glued the two bowls together first. Then we wiped away the excess and then glued the large bowl to it. Afterwards, we added more glue and then placed one additional bowl on top. Here's how it looks so far. Actually, you could let the glue dry and stop here and use it as a planter. But my friend wanted it as a side table, so what we did was use a Lazy Susan for the top. You could glue the Lazy Susan on top, but we decided not to so she can add additional storage inside if she chose to. Once the glue dried overnight, we added wood filler to help disguise the seams. Once the filler dried, we sanded it down so it was smooth. We also lightly sanded the other areas so that the paint could adhere to it better. If you have a lot of debris from sanding, you could use a tack or a microfiber cloth to remove it. Afterwards, we spray painted the bowls with a matte black color, but you could use any paint color of your choosing. We went outside to a well-ventilated area to do this. My friend just learned how to spray paint, so give her grace. Once the paint dried, she was able to place it in her living room. Check it out. If you would like to see more videos like this, be sure to hit the like button as well as subscribe to my weekly newsletter to get new inspiration each week. The link to it will be in the description box below. I'll talk to you in the next video.